In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your game use your GPU instead of your CPU on your Windows 11 computer. So in order to get the best performance from your games, you probably want to make sure that your game is using your GPU. Now, in order to do this, you need to head over to your Start menu and search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, click on System, click on Display, and then scroll all the way down to Related Settings and click on Graphics. From here, you'll see a list of all of your applications. Now, if you don't see your game in this list, then you'll just need to add it manually by clicking the Browse button and navigating over to the game executable of whatever game you're trying to add. Once your game is added to this list, all you simply need to do is click on it like so, click on Options, and you want to make sure the high performance mode is selected here. So you can see if I have this on power saving that it will use my integrated graphics card, which is the AMD one. But because we're going to be using this for gaming, we want to make sure it's using our NVIDIA graphics card, which is our dedicated graphics card. So just make sure high performance is checked and press save. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.